Hi everybody! Today I wanted to share something I got from Walmart. It's these Walmart Beauty. They're not subscriptions, they're just like, I guess, the best of. Like how Sephora has Sephora favorites and it's like the best selling lipsticks or whatever. These are, yeah, favorites. And it says Walmart Beauty right here. I was just looking around, seeing what they had new, and I found these. And they are $9.88. They're not available online. Like, I don't think you can buy them online. They're only in store. And I got two. The two I got is Glow For It and Time For Eyes. It says it's valued over $37. Let me lift up the box and it's this. And this one says it's valued over $24. So in the Glow For It box, it comes with a mask. I've never used this brand before. It's a brightening coconut sheet mask. And this is $2.50. And the next is this Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter. It's really sleek packaging, it's glass. And I think it is cream. Yeah, it's really super creamy. It's pretty. Doesn't really have a smell, but that's what it looks like. And it is called Vitalist Healthy Glow. And this is regularly $8.94. Which is like $1 less than what I paid for the whole box. The next is the Milani Make It Do Setting Spray. I've been wanting to try this too, but this is also $8. It's really pretty packaging. It's got that let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like perfume. It's like a fresh perfume scent. And the spray is nice too. It goes everywhere instead of just in one spot. And it hydrates, illuminate, and set. 16-hour wear. The next thing is from Wet n Wild, and it's the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, which is $4.68. $4.68. So this is the Wet n Wild. Precious Petals Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. And all these highlighters have like a goldy. Which I think would be good for summer. And the last thing is this, another highlighter from Hard Candy. I've never tried any of their products, but this one is retailed at $9.99, so 10 bucks, which was less than the whole box, or more than the whole box. And it looks like this. It looks like it's 3 colors. I just swirled all of them together. It's kind of like a champagne color. That's really pretty. I don't know if I would pay $10 for it though, but it's nice to try in this little best of beauty box. The other box I got was the Time for Eyes beauty favorites. And first thing is an e.l.f. Essential Brow Wax Pencil, which is $2. And it's just like a clear waxy eyebrow pencil. Feels like a waxy eyebrow pencil. It doesn't have really any smell. And the next, a Covergirl eyeshadow palette, True Naked, and it retails for $9.98, and it's this one. These are really pretty. It looks like the Naked palette from Urban Decay. So the next thing is what I got the box for, which it retails for $8.97, and that's the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Voluminous. So I really love this mascara, and mine, this is my old one. It's almost gone, but as you can tell, it looks almost like the Better Than Sex. The next product is something from Almay, Shadow Squad eyeshadow. It's called Unicorn. So it does say Eyeshadow Squad, which it's like an eyeshadow quad. And it's called, like I said, Unicorn. That's what it looks like open. And it looks like there's a matte and shimmers. Those are the colors. They're really pretty. The matte is like a satin also. It's not like super chalky like some white shadows can be. So that's really nice. I don't think I've tried any Almay eyeshadows either. And that retailed for $4.97. The next is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Eyeliner, which is $6.92. And it's waterproof gel pencil, which I love. I love these. And the last is some eyelashes from Kiss Lash. Couture lashes, and they retail for $7. They look really nice. I don't really wear lashes that often, but these look really nice. I have 4 beauty boxes altogether. The ones that I got were Glow For It, and Time for Eyes, and there's the other two, which is Latest in Lips and Naturally Inspired, which I think is like hair products, and the Latest in Lips is a bunch of lipsticks. And everything is, from what I can tell, full sized. So that's a pretty good deal for basically 10 bucks with tax and everything. And it's not a subscription. I just was in Walmart and I saw that they were selling them, so I thought I'd let you all know about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. Thank you for watching. Bye.